It's Pete from Cheap Homesteading, and today we're going to tap some trees. But before I can actually start tapping trees, we got a lot of work to do around here. The PTO is broken on the snowblower, and I need to blow back through the trails in the sugarbush because that last storm we had put quite a bit of snow on the trails, and the tractor's going to get stuck. But first we have to fix the tractor because we blew the bolt in the PTO for the pull type V snowblower. So we're going to fix that first, and then we're going to blow some snow, and then finally I can actually get to tapping some trees. So let's go. That's actually good. I kind of assumed the bolt on the shaft was busted, but it was actually just my shear bolt. We'll install a new one and we should be up and going. Last snowstorm, I should have checked the shear bolt. I was so used to it shearing off the shaft that it didn't even enter my mind that it was the shear bolt. So I should have looked at that, but my bad. It was dark and I was tired, and that's about it. So now we got the shear bolt back on, we can actually go out and blow some snow. Forgot to open the fuel. Let's try again. Oh my gracious, you see what happens? I don't know if it got hooked on the tree or what happened, but I'll show you. Look at that, it's absolutely wonderful. I broke the exhaust pipe clean right out of it. That's really hot, I can't pick that up right now. Wow. You can tell someone fixed that before they put like brazing or whatever on there. Whew. That's really nice. This thing's really starting to show its age. I need a key switch for it. I ordered it up. It isn't in yet. So we're running a wire just to get it running so I can blow my trails. And then my exhaust pipe gets knocked off. Partially my fault, probably got hooked on a branch. I'm sure not much was holding it, so we're gonna grind this up and get it welded. I need to get this thing up and running. So if you see here, the muffler's broken off there. So I'm gonna weld it to the clamp. And then I'm gonna weld the pipe back on. So then I'm going to grind off the brazing, and then I'm going to weld the pipe back on. I just have to get the blowing done. That's what happens when you're running old stuff. So I definitely need a new muffler for that. We'll order it, but we just got to get this up and running. I'm going to use my MIG welder, and we're just going to tack on the exhaust pipe for now anyways. So let's go. Okay, that's gonna look as good as new. Probably not, but I gotta bend this back a little bit, and then this. I have a Hobart Handler 140 wire feed welder. I just have flux core. I didn't get the gas for it, but it works just great. It's sturdier, but not quite. Oh, that's better. That should be sturdy enough to finish up my snow blowing anyways. So there you go, you get to see what I have to deal with. I run old stuff and it's not problem free for sure. This thing here, I probably should put a little money into it. I got the key switch coming. I'm gonna look up a muffler for it, and I'll have to go over it and see if there's anything else that might possibly go on it, because I'm starting to rely on the tractor more and more and I need it to work. So that's about enough, so you guys have a good one.